There's a meetup going on at 6 km and we are leaving for 6 km. It's already 11:12, so we had to be there at 11. But no, what to do, dude? Home alone. Oh no. Premium ಇದಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆರಾಮ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬೈಕರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ and rider protocol 2-stroke ranger is also here. What's up, dude? Gautam Naidu garu ella unnaru cheppalla. Nothing is easy. I messaged you yesterday.
Who is this?
I asked for your bar and indicators.
Oh, okay. Nice. Bro, show your face. You won't?
No, I'll show.
At least I should know next time I meet you, no?
Yeah. Hi bro. Fine. ಮತ್ತೆ thank you. Garmin ಏನಲ್ಲ ಅವರು Garmin ಏನಲ್ಲ ಹಾಯ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನೀವೇ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಕಂಗ್ರಾಟ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೋ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ ನಾನು? ಮ್ಯಾಚು ಬಾಯ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ?
And I want to call some of my friends who've always been helping me throughout my journey. And first of all, I think I thought Goa. Where is Goa? Where's Goa? Rahul. I have something special for you. Neene cut maadu baro. Let's cut this. Perfect. Adro.
Happy married life, bro. That's a small cake.
For the family.
ಗೌತಮ್ ನಾಯ್ಡು ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಇವರು ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಇವರು ಬೈಕರ್ ಹುಡುಗಿ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೇಳೋದು ಬುಲೆಟ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಾಡಿನೂ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೈಟ್ ರೈಡರ್. ಗೌತಮ್ ನಾಯ್ಡು. ಬನ್ನಿ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಪವರ್ ಬನ್ನಿ.
Have fun, make some nice memories, and that's it for today. I'll see you on the road.
So people, we have completed our Macho Biker and Rider Protocol meetup, and we are heading home. So, but I'm not heading home. I'm going to JC Road. I'll see for some stuff. I'll see for installation of bar end indicators and parking lights. Some stuff which are available. That is it for today, and we'll meet soon again in the next vlog. Please do like and comment if you are liking my videos. See you in next vlog. And do comment and do So I'm here with
not meant for.
I'm here with Rider Protocol here. So first of all, congrats for 1,000 subscribers.
Thank you, Vroom Rider.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ
Along with me, we'll subscribe to Vroom Rider.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. Entertainment guarantee. He's vlogging.
ನಾನು ಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Stick rider is coming. Continue later.
How is the camera clarity?
Like before I use some different camera, so comparing to that it is very bad. So
I was planning to-
1080p and 1080p 30 frames you get a very good quality camera.
I was planning to buy, but I haven't seen this camera. So definitely I'll buy.
Okay, sure. That is actually good option you have. Like if you want a budget camera, really, so this is a good one.
Hit the subscribe button, don't forget,
Thank you, bro.
and support him.
Manish,
Okay.
who's called as Big Man 3.
Okay.
You check me out on Instagram.
Please support him on Instagram. His name is Manish. Do follow me, Night Ride.
Instagram ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇದೆ.
Instagram ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಏನು ಐಡಿಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಮದು?
Night Rider /RTR.
@Night Rider
RTR.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು.
Hey, vlogs cut.